hello. You're with IndiaPostLive.com, India's first live conversation web TV portal where all of you can join in live on the conversations that we do. Today's conversation, in fact, the conversation right now is on the contentious issue of Indo-Pak ties.
I think the first thing that Modi is doing is he's establishing himself as a global leader.
Sharif has had good relations with the BJP when Vajpayee was in power.
Mr. Nawaz Sharif is probably looking for some kind of an assurance that Mr. Modi will not be too acerbic towards Pakistan after his swearing in his public speeches.
Nawaz Sharif invited Sardar Manmohan Singh, the Indian Prime Minister, to come to his swearing in. He did not come. They should meet. They should meet for tea and pakoras. They should meet for breakfast. They should meet for dinner. I couldn't care.
The relationship between India and Pakistan is a very key aspect of both countries' foreign policies.
It's the Prime Minister's prerogative to invite anybody whom he wants to for his swearing in. I'm glad he did not invite Dawood Ibrahim, saying that he's inviting all the businessmen.
After the elections were announced, he said that something really positive. If India and Pakistan really have to have a war, the war should be on poverty, illiteracy, and superstition.
Sharif, it would be a wise thing for him to come to India, despite all the things that we heard in the campaign, because Narendra Modi has made the transition from the campaign to being now in the government.
I hope this is the beginning towards a more meaningful, a more result-oriented relationship between the two countries. Let's hope the two countries take it from here and engage for a peaceful region and for the betterment of people of both the countries.
And that Nawaz Sharif is the same man whom we burnt our hands with. We took a Lahore bus yatra and we got Kargil in return.
Also be a chance for both of them to just know one another. So 2611 might come up, it might not come up.
The conversation continues. Remember to leave your audio and video messages, your tweets, your posts on www.indiapostlive.com.